Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi rigathi wa Gachagua umuthe ni acemanite na atongoria a ICRAF muciini gwake Karen itemi-ini ria kwaririria ucenjia wa riera.
Nairobi, welcome to Kenya. And as a country, we are honored that the board is sitting here in Kenya. It's an honor to this country. ICRAF has been around since 1978, and we are honored as a country to host here and to really appreciate the very good work that you are doing. Your coming this morning is very encouraging to me because we do have a very ambitious program of growing trees as one of the mechanisms that we have identified to combat the negative effects of climate change. In the restoration of Nairobi rivers, we have a program for the restoration of Nairobi river that is under very serious pollution, and we have a very serious program. And I think both C4 ICRAF and ICRAF Kenya can play a role to assist us in terms of technical advice, in terms of resource mobilization, in terms of seeing what we can be able to do together.
Niaugite ati thirikari ina mibango ya kuhanda miti bilioni 15 kurua na ucenjia wa riera.
This great country have come to terms with reality is that climate change is real, and therefore as a government we have come up with a program to grow 15 billion trees by the year 2032. I'm very encouraged by ICRAF Kenya, the issue of fruit trees, because much as we're asking Kenyans to grow trees, we need to encourage them by taking them to a direction that also has a benefit. The issues of avocado, macadamia, coffee, mangoes are issues that we need a lot of support.
And it's really our honor to have our ICRAF headquarters here in Nairobi. And what's really important is that as C4 and ICRAF have had a functional merger, these identities in terms of legal capacity have stayed separate. And we work together to really be able to tackle global challenges with a combined over 7 years of experience.